Hola everyone, I'm Dichi. We are going to Candaya Resort. OOTD check. That one. So nanguha ra siya buwak para kompleto na ang iyahang Korean look. And since mama is in dialysis, mag-commute usa mi. Moapas ra sila. Hello, kay naami sa highway, nag-wait mi og series nga moabot ang series. Series. Hi everyone, I am Dichi and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to tell you everything that has transpired earlier this day. Gosh, I forgot how to commute already, guys.
Wow.
Nagpas me and it's not air conditioned. Like my hair is blown by the air and then it's so dusty and my face feels so oily.
Wow.
Oh my gosh! Then tanang kanta sa gi-play sa driver kay ako na kay bawo sa tanang lyrics.
Wow.
So we stopped by here at Tanbatayan to eat lunch here in Jollibee. Then after our lunch, we rode this e-bike that's worth 30 pesos per person from Jollibee going in na gyud sa resort. And then adto ra mi gi-drop off in front sa reception. And we really thought nga dili pwede. Pero na pwede na jud siya, no? Fajardo. This is 1 year in savings. We can't go here nga by our own lang. No. Let's peek na lang sa window. Look. That's outside. So we are out of the room because we will be exploring Candaya while waiting for the parental and the brotherhood. And since it's very hot outside, adto ta dito para nice of view. Okay, the usual naman ang dagat. We are in America. And since it's very hot outside, let's have our Candaya. That's the Cusina building, and just right in front of it is the the very beautiful me. Hi Mitchell and Cheryl, dali atubang dayon kay kahulugon ang phone. Hi, ayog takilid, atubang ba gayud matagak na yun. Video. So we feel so tired na nagsige na mi tuyok-tuyok din sa Candayan. Then since laubat naman si Mitchell, we decided nga mobalik daw mi sa room. Then Cheryl is talking to Kathy because they are still in Liloan. They will be heading here later. I don't know what time sila ma-arrive. Wait, thank you very much for this opportunity. Nami under sa Bumbil. It's very hot jud kaayo and it's very lush and pink. To our hotel, I mean to our room kay it's very hot jud. Siya init kayo no. Yeah. Naidagang kig kamunggay lagi pa na nakita. We're very near sa dagat. You went out tapos nilock ang self. Back here in our room and there is Netflix. Cheryl is watching Netflix over there and then Mitchell is inside the other room. So let's check her. What is she doing? Oh, she's there. So Mitchell is there lying down. She's resting. She has menstruation. Let's give her a little bit of privacy. Oh, I am here in the master's bedroom. I have recalled, guys, baka to when I was younger, naamin ani sa balay niya, wala gitaod ni Papa, okay? Wala lagi may kwarta. Nga, naglibog jud ko unsay gamit. Mao din ni siya gamit jud. Wala kay bago kung kay bawo naman ni pero I will show you kung unsa there. I know that you were able to see it pero wala lang magbuot ka oh. Hala, wow, ganahan ko magpicturean ko ni mo diri Cheryl. So while we were very quiet inside the room waiting for the time,
the room service gave us 3 dried mangoes. Muna mo snacks. Kaya ba mo sa may snack? Wala good may snacks. Aware sila nga wala may makaon dire. They gave us dried mangoes. Oh, it's already very dark outside. I forgot to turn on the lights. They're much better. They're actually coming.
Naabot na mo rin ako.
Manyakin pa. Manggawasan pa. Ayun na lang. Butang ba? Mitch, dali na Mitch.
Ano saan na kayo mo sa kanta?
Kakuan sa ninyo og mga naw. Ay, si mama, kuan kayo og naw. Stress. Sa'yo pa ng pagkahigdaan, ma. Di man na inana dapat. Okay. We are now complete, guys. And the benefit that we have the car is that we were able to go outside of the resort and find a carinderia for our dinner because Pride will not pay your bills. So we look for a carinderia to eat our dinner. Mama is already sleeping because she's tired. She was from the dialysis. Let's go take a peek. We will not be going to the pool, but we will be watching Netflix. I know, dila sila lang eh.
Morning, everybody!
Baga kay enhance nila, guys. Unlike sa ubang resorts and hotels nga akong nasuwayan. Look. Nandito siya.
Hoy!
Bangon.
Kati!
Bangon naman.
Nga wala ko gipakato gabi eh. Dahil si mama dahil nga way to gabi eh.
Ko'y tulog. Ay, di kong katugon. Nakuan siguro ka itong inom na ko gapon, no?
Ano po kari?
Nga nung di ko katulog.
Mura kag dato, ma.
Yan naman.
Hindi ha, sa mong bak nun.
Ano ba?
Di ko kabalo or guba?
Okay, anak. Di siya mo, ara lagi siya maagas. Niya ako sa ninggikuan. Nabira. So, di ko kay bangan. So, ano na siya? Maligo ko nga ni hupo. Para maligo. Ano ko kay balo?
Good morning, everybody! So we're getting ready for breakfast. We will be availing the breakfast buffet, and I am so ready. And by the way, very humot kaayo ang ilahang kuan. Humot kayo ilahang mga soup. Ilang soup na kuan kay humot. Hi, Chirel. Ang mga artista, guys. Kadung na mamahaw kay luto ng among mga pamahaw dito.
Here's a little background on how we got here in Candaya because Mom Gretchen was able to offer us a voucher, and that was a year ago, and then her sister Cheng Mei paid through her credit card.
Let's eat breakfast na, guys. guys kay matulog og balik si Eddie Rose. Kaya man gin natug ipakatog gabi dili man matug. Salag ay naging kaayo. Duha ka buok.
Tulog.
Asa ba? Mubalik ni sa room kay malibang. Si Cheryl nalibang dito. Silang Cathy, Mitchell o Greenwell kay nangaligo na sa pool. Mura kog nag-contact lens. Awa akong diha. Kabalo ba mo guys, katong bag-o pa kong magsudlanan og mga resort. I always told myself nga puhon makasudon niya may whole family. Nakasudod man tinuod mi pero dili whole family kay wala naman si Papa pero family gihapon. And it's an achievement. Thank you Lord for this blessing. Digya ra day kog isda guys diri sa Kanday. Ang pool so hot ang pool. Dili pa nako carry maligo sa pool, very hot. Ato sa may magkayak. Guys, mag-banana boat me. First time ni Cheryl og ni Rainrail. Naka-Boracay naman ni Mitchell, Cathy og ako before. So moto nag-iinani nami before. Libre to sa Riponte. Pero karon kay ilibre na ko sila karon guys.
Dili town, iyahay town.
Dili town si Cheryl Bayan.
Pero ila ko ilisan ni abot bantay lagi hab.
Guys.
You ready na nila?
Hi guys. It's my first time.
Video namin.
Banana boat. We are going to the pool for a bit. Dayon, we will keep our things. Yeah, we will check out. That's my brother. How's your first time sa banana boat?
Kuan. Easy.
Ano sa dito?
Wala may kuha, mura rang to gulay vibration. Katong tang maguntol-untol, mura rang to gastakay.
Gito yun to para safety.
Pwede rin nga mahigda gani.
The last glimpse kay when we go back ari magyapon mi dalhon sa golf cart. So that bag nga they're bringing, that nito bag is a service bag ngadto sa room. Nami sa pictures guys, so we are going back to our room and prepare the stuffs that are needed for us to check out. Last glimpse of the pool accommodation, like nag-water sports activity me, and then the person is always there. I mean the staff are always there to assist us. Wala jud nila biyai, even if nagkiakyat na lang akong mga manghud. We are in robes na guys. Look, Rainrail, karate do. It's so quiet in here guys, and then dili ko mao maghimog contents kay grabe kahilom din he. Can speak to whenever I want to. Bye. See you in another vlog. That's all for my vlog guys. Thank you very much for watching. I am always grateful and glad that you chose to be with me today. Goodbye. At Asa Barbecue, we are going to eat our lunch because we're very hungry now here in Bugos.